Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can earn through the Shopify Partner Program, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I'm on the help page for the Shopify Partner Program, and I'll just be using this really quickly to refer to what the Partner Program really is. It is basically a free program which you can join, where you have access to free courses for training, and you will be able to grow your business easier with it. Now, you will also have some benefits, such as being paid to design apps, and for every referred client and theme you designed and app you've built, you will receive ongoing monthly income from Spotify, as you can see here. Now I'll just click here on free to join, and that's going to take me to the partners page of Shopify. I've already logged into my account. You can just create a new account. You can use the one you already have, sign into it. You can use your email, you can use Google, really doesn't matter. And then you can select these things over here. I'll just select other really quickly. Just continue with this. You'll be able to enter your business name if you want. And as you can see, all of these are required. So I'll just enter some random strings of letters, and I'll add a random postal code. Just accept the partner program agreement. Click continue. And as you'll see, it has created my partner account over here. And I can use this dashboard to control everything that I would like. As you can see, you can go here to develop apps. You can go here to develop themes or design themes. Or you also have a referrals page. And as I've mentioned previously, you'll get monthly payments for each referred customer, for each app you develop, and for each theme you design. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.